Herbs are used daily in cooking, teas, medicine, skincare, and more. However, not all herbs are grown the same way. Understanding the difference between organic and non-organic herbs helps you make better choices for your health, the environment, and even your taste buds. Let's start with organic herbs. What are organic herbs? Organic herbs are grown following strict farming practices that respect nature and health. Here's what sets them apart. No synthetic chemicals. Organic farmers avoid artificial fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Instead, they use natural alternatives like compost, neem oil, or beneficial insects. Healthier soil. Organic farming focuses heavily on maintaining soil health through crop rotation, cover cropping, and natural composting, ensuring that the soil remains rich and fertile over time. Non-GMO. Organic certification usually means that genetically modified organisms are not used. The plants grow from traditional, natural seeds. Certification standards. To label an herb as organic, farmers must follow guidelines set by certifying bodies like USDA, Organic, EU Organic Certification, or India Organic. Certification involves regular inspections and strict compliance. Nutritional value and taste. Some studies suggest organic herbs may contain higher levels of certain nutrients, antioxidants, and oils, leading to better flavor and aroma. Environmental impact. Organic farming practices protect pollinators like bees, reduce chemical runoff into waterways, preserve wildlife habitats, and lower carbon emissions. Now let's look at non-organic herbs. What are non-organic herbs? Non-organic herbs are grown using conventional agricultural practices that prioritize high yield and faster growth. Use of synthetic chemicals. Farmers use man-made fertilizers to speed growth and synthetic pesticides to protect crops from pests and disease. This often leads to chemical residues on the final product. Higher yields. Non-organic farming methods are designed for mass production. Large-scale farming uses machinery, chemical treatments, and irrigation systems to produce as much as possible, often at the expense of soil health. Possible GMOs. Non-organic farming may involve genetically modified seeds designed to resist pests, diseases, or herbicides. Lack of certification. Non-organic herbs do not need to pass any organic standards or inspections unless labeled otherwise. Environmental concerns. The heavy use of synthetic chemicals can lead to soil erosion, water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. It can also harm beneficial insects and pollinators. Cost and accessibility. Non-organic. Herbs are generally cheaper and more easily available in supermarkets because they are less expensive to grow and store. Now, let's see some key differences between organic and non-organic herbs. Key differences at a glance. Factor: organic herbs, non-organic. Herbs. Chemicals used: none. Synthetic fertilizers. Pesticides allowed soil health high, nurtured naturally often degraded due to chemical use. AGMOs. Not used, maybe used. Z certification required, not required. Price: higher, lower environmental impact, eco-friendly. Can be harmful nutritional value, potentially higher standards. So, which one should you choose? And which one should you choose? If health is your top priority, organic herbs minimize your exposure to chemical residues. If budget is a concern, non-organic herbs are more affordable and still offer culinary value. If you care about the environment, organic supports sustainable, eco-friendly farming. For the best taste, many chefs swear by the richer flavor of organic herbs. Ultimately, the choice depends on your personal values, whether it's health, taste, cost, or environmental impact.